Hi again, this is Abdul here with my second video on blocks. In this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through the steps we need to access the blocks we have already linked with Moodle. Let's see how we access our blocks. I have already linked one of my blocks, an external block, onto Moodle page, and let's see how we can access it. Go to our Moodle page. Okay, we can go to the Moodle page. My courses. Okay, this is my course page, and I'm going to click my profile here, and below that I have got my name. You just click your name, and when you click your name you will reach this page, and after all these things you can reach a section called miscellaneous, and when you see the blog entries under miscellaneous you can click it. Just click your link on miscellaneous, on blogs under miscellaneous, and when you click it you can see the blog. So I have already linked the Learn English Online, British Council Learn English Online blog onto Moodle, and this blog is being shown here. So there are different items, articles on this, and all these items are shown here one by one, neatly organized. Wonderful, beautiful. And as I told you in the previous video, RSS stands for really simple syndication, and these feeds, RSS feeds, help us to organize different links, different websites, different blogs in a single location, and that makes it easy for us to access. Otherwise we'll have to go to different websites, access the different links using different browsers and all those things. But here, if you have these links under a single page, on a single page like Moodle, we can access it. Let's see how we access it. We need to try that. Link the original blog entry. Just click link to original blog, and what happens is that you're taken to the original blog entry. So all the items, one item here, Learn English Online with the world's English experts is the one item. And if you go backwards, you can also see how other items are accessed. Okay, this one, let's go to this. Yeah, instructions for a colleague. This is another item we find, and you see all these wonderful facilities, all these features on these blogs, and these blogs are brought onto our Moodle page too. So blogs are really wonderful for students. Students can create class blogs and other blogs, so that these blogs can be connected or linked to the Moodle page. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.